Hey everyone, what's up? This is Hugh from Rollwalk. Super excited to be back with all of you. Today I'm gonna give you a quick rundown on some tips for using e-roller skates, how to make turns and do some backward sliding. Whether you are a newbie or not, I strongly recommend wearing protective gear before you kick off. Alright, let's dive in and see how to make turns while rolling. Get into a ready position at first. So if you want to turn right, just slightly lean your upper body to the right, like this. Same deal for turning left, lean to the left. That's one way. Now, let's show you another method. Okay, once we have got our gears sorted, assume the same ready stance. When you want to turn left, press down with the front of your feet slightly left side. For a right turn, it's the same way. Alright, let me use the low speed mode here to demonstrate it for you guys. This turning technique lets you to reduce your turning radius to a super tight spot, making it more agile to maneuver. Alright, got the hang of turning now? Let's touch on backward sliding next. First thing first, double tap the power button on the remote to reverse your direction. Now, get in that stance just like before. Shift your weight slightly back, so you can offset the inertia when you start. Then give the drive gear a gentle push forward and you will be gliding backward with ease. There you go, a beginner guide. Have a blast and enjoy your ride with Rollwalk skates. And hey, make sure you give our user manual a completely read before you dive in. If you run into any hiccups while using our product, don't hesitate to reach out using the contact info we have provided. Big thanks for tuning in our tutorial video. If you are loving this cool and classic thing, don't forget to smash the like and comment. Just subscribe to our channel for more awesome content in interaction with us.